Today we will see that how the cable size affects the electricity bill. So let's discuss regarding this. Basically, the cables are categorized into three parts like undersized cable, oversized cable, and correctly sized cable. So let's talk about it how the cable size affects the electricity bill. First of all, let's talk about the first case of undersized cable. So here, thin wires have higher resistance. It means more electrical energy is converted into heat instead of useful work. And this heat loss is wasted energy, directly increasing your consumption of bill. And high resistance causes voltage to drop by making appliances work harder to function and further raising the cost. So the overheating can cause the damage of appliances and melt the insulations and cause the fire also. So now let's see what's about the oversized cables. So oversized cables are thicker in size, which increases the cost of the material also, and they don't typically increases the bill, but don't offer significant savings over correctly sized wires, just between safety and flexibility. Now let's see what's about the correctly sized cables. So here in the correctly sized cables, the resistance is lower and it reduces the energy losses by improving the efficiency also and maintains the constant voltage by ensuring the appliances run optimally. So ultimately, lower energy losses transfer the lower electricity bills. So basically, the correctly sized cables are more preferred than the undersized cable and oversized cable.